look on her face, so he said, I'll ask you again, do you have anything? She
Yeah,
said
there
no.
were 2 or 3 chances. She said no, and so they confiscated everything.
Everything she'd bought for Christmas for the kids and everything, they took away. So then she came home, went shopping a second time for Christmas, went to get on an escalator going down, put her bag down, and like that, something stole it. That was twice.
That was in the day.
In the day. Yeah, but they gave her 3 chances.
Yeah.
No.
What would she have had to have paid on that?
I don't know.
They'd have had to pay duty on some of the, some of the stuff.
But
If
it
it's,
wouldn't have been the
if
price
it's a
of
duty item.
Losing everything.
No.
And then they paid tax on it, provincial tax.
Yeah.
Anyway, let these guys go.
Yeah.
Oh, it's been wonderful, guys.
It's been great.
Yeah.
Right.
I wish I could afford one when we get home.
Yeah.
This is in one of the later models. It's got all the electronic gadgets.
Yeah, I don't know what.
Oh, is that off? It
Well,
must
I'm
be
going
off
to
the
let you go.
iPad.
Okay,
Well,
thanks.
Oh,
thanks.
you're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Safe travels, guys.
Thank
It's been
you.
really great.
You too tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say hi to John Plunkett.
Oh, yeah, we will. So weird.
Has to keep saying it's a small world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Right. We'll see you later, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
See you again. We know which way we're
Where
going.
we're going.
Yeah.
At the end of the road, turn right, Dover Road.
You already done the sat nav?
Yeah, I've just done it to the ferry terminal.
Right.
Oh, great.
Right, got your wallet, phone.
Wallet, phone.
Follow me.
I've got the passports. I've seen them this morning.
Oh, you got the passport?
Yeah, because we need them today.
Yeah, I only heard you when I was on the loo, and that's good job you remembered.
After 300 yards, turn left.
It's obviously not here, but I can't see any other turns.
Slightly further on, is where that walking crossing sign is.
Oh, right. Oh, yes.
Apple Crossroad.
Turn left at Blackrest Road.
A Blackrest Road.
I could pronounce that either.
Oh, Apple Cross. Phew.
Spend all the leisure time in the boat.
Oh,
Yeah.
God, I slept like a lord last night.
Did you?
did
Why?
you? I did until I woke up at 5:30, and then I just couldn't get back to sleep.
Yeah, I don't know why she chose this way. We're coming out at the same point, I think, where we would have done. One street over.
After 300 yards, turn right, then stay in the left lane. Turn right, Hammond Bay Road, then stay in the left lane.
That bus is moving.
That's why it says sorry on the front. Sorry, I'm going so fast.
Should stay in the left lane.
Straight
Then we're
across
going
the
Left
straight
road.
turn ahead, Highway 19 southbound, Nanaimo
It's one
Parkway.
road, I think.
This one's straight over as well.
Yeah.
Just they were all turning left.